Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kachi. So guys, in today's video we'll be making a simple coconut rice. So first of all guys, you start by parboiling and washing your rice. After you parboil and wash, set it aside. Break and blend your coconuts, extract the milk, set it aside. Okay, now cut your veggies, clean up your veggies and cut them, set them aside. Your onions, chop it and set aside. In an empty pot, stir fry your onion and your veggies, remove them and set them aside. Go in with a little vegetable oil again in that same pot, or you use another pot. Go in with your ginger and garlic paste, your onion, your coconut milk, your tomato, a little bit of tomatoes, maybe like 3 bulbs or 2 bulbs of tomatoes. But today I didn't use tomato because I have a leftover stew in my freezer, so I want to use it up. I want it to get out of that freezer, so that is what I poured in there. You go in with, you stir fry for a little. You go in with that coconut milk, that extracted coconut milk. Go in with your coconut flavor. Go in with your pepper, crayfish, seasoning cubes, salt to taste. Be careful when you are adding salt. Pour, while the water is boiling, pour in your rice, your parboiled rice. Let the water be on the same level with the rice. Then if it's not enough, when you test it, you can adjust. Cover the pot and allow everything to cook. Once the rice is done, go in with the protein of your choice. Go in with that veggies, your stir-fried veggies, and your rice is ready.